Hi, my name is Jesse. I'm going to be going over a Minecraft mod I made called mcfit, which is designed to promote healthy behaviors in Minecraft players. The way it does that is by incorporating a step count into the game. Depending on how many steps the player takes in the real world, they will be dropped a certain number of bonus resources in the Minecraft world. The reason why I made this Minecraft mod is that we as a population are just not exercising enough. So I think if we can incorporate video games with physical activity, then we can very comfortably and entertainingly generate more enthusiasm for physical activity. But the problem is that most of the current healthcare games are just not fun, and it's hard to develop a very engaging application from the ground up. So instead of doing that, we can just take an existing, already proven to be popular game like Minecraft and modify it a little bit. Here's a list of some of the current examples of healthcare games. Virtual Iraq is a game that's designed to help returning soldiers treat PTSD. And another one's called Bronchia Bronchiosaurus, which is designed to help kids learn about asthma. But the previous games I just showed are not popular, and some of the popular games are League of Legends, Hearthstone, and Minecraft. Both League of Legends and Hearthstone generate huge amounts of cash prize awards. League of Legends in 2016, $5 million. Hearthstone in 2016, $1 million. And this year, February 2017, Minecraft has logged 55 million monthly players. If we can incorporate or promote healthier behaviors in 55 million people, that would be amazing. So what is Minecraft? Minecraft is basically a game where you have to craft materials and resources. You have to use those resources and build armor, weapons, so that at night when all the different monsters come out to kill you, you can defend yourself. So instead of having the players manually mine all the resources that they need in the game, why not just have them be a little more active outside the game in the real world, and then once they come into the game at night during the free time, the game will drop them some number of resources as a bonus for the amount of steps they took. So the model was developed like this. A Android application would upload step counts to a server in DigitalOcean, and in the game, when the user right-clicks with a certain item, a query is sent back to the DigitalOcean server, which then sends the number of steps the user's taken so far in that day. This is a screenshot of the pedometer app. It can track steps by day, week, or month, and their code is open source on GitHub. This is a screenshot of the structure of a Minecraft mod. Basically, you're editing the source code for the items that Minecraft can have, for the blocks that Minecraft can have, and also just encoding a way for Minecraft to query the DigitalOcean server every time a player equips an item and right-clicks it. So I set up a very basic tier system where, depending on the number of steps you take, players get a certain number of rewards. These are some of the items, weapons, and armor that a player can get, and the materials correspond to how many steps a player takes. So diamond is the strongest material. Players will have to take at least 10,000 steps to be awarded that sort of material. I'll get into gameplay in a little bit, but overall, people, at least one person really enjoyed this game. Stacy Cithro, a medical student. And the reason why I don't have more testimonials is that the game is still not iron solid and it does crash on occasion, so I wasn't able to just distribute it and put it on the internet for people to try out. But she said, this is a lot of fun. I really love how I get more bonus items to use in Minecraft based on the number of steps I take. Incorporating the steps from the pedometer actually encourages me to work out more because I know that would benefit me in the game. It's definitely a win-win. More exercise equals more steps and more fun in the game. The future steps for this project is to update Minecraft, the mod, mcfit, to work on the most recent version of Minecraft. So currently it's set up to work on Minecraft version 1.8. The version most players are currently using is 1.12. And the reason why I'm using an older version is that the documentation to mod the older version is just more available. I need to configure the DigitalOcean server to allow multiple player step counts. So right now it only recognizes one Android phone. If there are, say, two phones uploaded to the same server, it will they will overlap, and people's step counts will not match their own activities. And I need to set up a formalized study investigating the effect of mcfit on player behaviors. This is the only concrete way to see if incorporating step count into Minecraft will actually sustain healthy behaviors. And now I'll get into some gameplay. This is the game. I'm just loading up a new world. And this is survival mode. So I, as a player, am vulnerable to all the mobs and zombies out there. And right when I log into the world, the mod automatically drops an item that I need to actually query the DigitalOcean server for step counts that day. It's designed to kind of look like a stopwatch. And here it is right here in the first slot. So when I have this item equipped and I right click, the server sends back that I have done 10,342 steps that day. And the game drops me a pretty high tier resources because I took over 10,000 steps. Now let's see what I happen to get. Diamond sword, gold pants, all good stuff. A little bit of food. And now basically the game just proceeds as anyone else would play it. A diamond dirk. So just by having a subtle modification in the game, I think we can have a very large impact on player behaviors. Anyways, thank you for watching.